BERT powers a huge amount of quiet AI, search ranking, classifiers, and the retrievers behind RAG. But the original is 6 years old, capped at 512 tokens, and slow. In December 2024, Answer.AI and LightOn released ModernBERT, a from-scratch rebuild of the encoder. In this video, why encoders still matter, what ModernBERT is, how it's built and trained, how it compares, and when to reach for it. Start with the pain. Classic BERT reads at most 512 tokens, so long documents get chopped into pieces. Its architecture predates almost every modern trick. No rotary embeddings, no flash attention, an inefficient design that wastes compute on padding. And it was trained on far less, and much older, data. For years teams kept fine-tuning it anyway, because nothing better had replaced it. So what is ModernBERT? It is an encoder-only, bidirectional transformer, meaning it reads the whole input in both directions to build deep understanding, rather than generating text left or right like GPT. It is not a chatbot. It produces embeddings and labels. Think of it as a drop-in modern replacement for BERT, but with a native context of 8,000 tokens and dramatically faster inference. How is it made? First, it is pre-trained with masked language modeling on 2 trillion tokens of web text, code, and scientific papers, hiding 30% of tokens and learning to fill them in. Next, its context is extended from 1,000 tokens up to 8,000. Finally, you attach a small task head and fine-tune it for your job, retrieval, classification, or re-ranking. Now the architecture, where the speed comes from. Tokens get rotary position embeddings, or ROP for long context. Attention then alternates. Every third layer is global, where every token sees every other, and the rest use a cheap local sliding window of 128 tokens. Feed-forward blocks use GeGLU gating, and whole model unpadding with flash attention removes wasted work. How does it compare to the original? Same encoder idea, but ModernBERT reads 16 times more context, 8,000 tokens versus 512. It adds ROP, GeGLU, and flash attention that classic BERT never had. It is trained on 2 trillion tokens instead of a few billion, and includes code. And thanks to unpadding and local attention, it runs several times faster on real mixed-length inputs. Does it actually win? Yes. ModernBERT-base is the first masked language model to beat the BERT version 3 on the GeGLU benchmark, and it does long context retrieval on BEIR better than other encoders. On the Stack Overflow code question set, it is the only backbone to score above 80. And it runs up to 2 to 4 times faster than BERT on variable length batches. Efficiency is the whole point. It was the first encoder designed in a hardware-aware way, tuned to run well on ordinary gaming and inference GPUs. Whole model unpadding means it never wastes compute on filler tokens, and the mostly local attention keeps long sequences cheap. The result? It uses less than a fifth of BERT's memory while processing tokens in about half the time. Where does it shine? Retrieval. Its embeddings power the search step in RAG over large document sets. Classification, where you fine-tune it for sentiment, topic, or spam detection. Code search, since code was in its training mix. And semantic search and re-ranking, where understanding meaning beats keyword matching. It is the quiet workhorse behind the scenes, not the model users chat with. Encoded is a drop-in Hugging Face model. You load it with AutoModel for masked LM, or the fill mask pipeline, and it predicts the hidden word. For real work you add a classification or embedding head and fine-tune. Because it is a standard transformers model, it slots straight into pipelines you already have, with no special runtime required. When should you reach for it? Any understanding task, retrieval, ranking, classification, or extraction, especially over long documents where 512 tokens were never enough. When should you think twice? If you need to generate text, hold a conversation, or reason step by step, that is a decoder LLM's job. Encoders understand and score. Decoders write. Quick recap. ModernBERT is a from-scratch rebuild of the BERT encoder. It reads 8,000 tokens, adds ROP, GeGLU, and flash attention, and was trained on 2 trillion tokens including code. It beats BERT on GeGLU, while running far faster on a fraction of the memory. Reach for it for retrieval, classification, and search, not for generation. So that's ModernBERT. Proof the humble encoder was not dead, just overdue for a rebuild. Fast, long context, and efficient, it is quietly upgrading the search and RAG stacks BERT used to run. Did this make ModernBERT click? Follow for plain English Gen AI breakdowns.